Hi guys, watch this video to understand how to use your remote control for your air conditioning. Let's start with the symbols. Generally, there are 4 different modes. Auto, cool, dry and heat mode. The auto mode works in heating and cooling modes. This mode maintains the temperature that the user set on the remote control. Choose this if you don't know what to set. Cool mode reduces the environment temperature to the desired temperature without reducing much of the humidity of the environment. Choose this if your environment is dry and hot. Dry mode reduces the environment temperature to the desired temperature by reducing the humidity of the environment. Choose this if your environment is wet and hot. You should use dry mode in humid weather like Singapore. Heat mode increases the environment temperature to the desired temperature. Use this mode to heat up the room during winter. Let's move on to selecting the fan speed. Usually, there will be auto, low, medium, high and super high fan speed. The auto mode allows the air conditioning to adjust the fan speed by itself. Use super high fan speed to cool the room quickly on cool or auto mode. However, the aircon will be very noisy. Some brands or models will have silent mode to keep the aircon noise level to a quiet level. Lastly, we can also adjust the vane angle. You can adjust the vane to direct the airflow from the aircon. If you feel warm, you can adjust the angle to allow the air to be blown towards your face or body.